Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to answer a very important question, which is which programming language should I learn? And the simple answer is that this question is wrong, and you will be surprised why this question is wrong. This question is just like saying I have a box of tools and I don't know which tool should I use. Of course, you shouldn't just use any tool and you don't know the purpose of using that tool. This is exactly the same for programming languages. You can't just learn a programming language and you have no purpose. You should have a goal, you should have a path, you should have a specialization. Therefore, the correct question is saying which path or which specialization should I take? And of course, there are many specializations. For example, you can become a web developer, Android developers, data scientist, and other fields. There are other specializations as well. So you need to get clear on this and know exactly which path you want to take. Once you decide which path to take, for example, you want to become an Android developer, you should learn Java or Kotlin. Why? Because you can't just learn PHP and become a Android developer. It's useless. PHP is used for the web. If you want to become a web developer, then you can learn PHP. Otherwise, you would be wasting your time if you want to get a job as a Android developer and you are learning PHP. Another important point that you need to take into account is the location in which you want to get a job. For example, if you want to get an Android developer job in London, then first you need to do your research on which programming language companies they use in London. There is, of course, Kotlin or Java. So you need to do your research and find out which one they use. And once you find which one is being used more than the other, then start learning it. This is how it works. If you want to get a job in New York, then of course you would want to do the same research on companies which programming language they use for that specific field. For example, the web, if you want to become a web developer and you want to become a web developer in New York, then you need to do your research which programming language they use, Python or PHP or other programming language. Find out which one is in demand and start learning it. This is how it works. I can guarantee that you will eventually find the job that you want. So this is my take on the subject. If you like this video, share, like, and subscribe. And also check the description below because I have created a free ebook on how to become a freelance programmer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.